Hey guys, I just got this LED today in the mail, so I'm just gonna take it out. It's a quick unboxing. I'll be doing a video how to set this up later on. Well, the box does seem pretty beat up. It's pretty bad. I mean, it shouldn't be that bad. And I was about to say, well, what do you expect when you mail things through regular mail? But at the end of the day, HTML and the other guys are not great either. It's just better. It's also kind of the stuff that's beat up from them, so it's not really ever you get what you pay for. It's pretty dirty. Anyways, pretty big, pretty massive. Feels really cheap. Everything seems really cheap about this. Here you go. This is what you guys paid for when you bought this, really. Other than that, it's a pretty big light. There is a way to take this out, luckily, so we can take a sneak peek behind. See what's underneath this. So this is metal. There you go. That's it. It's nothing. Alright. See that? Alright. So this gets shipped to you guys like this. Obviously, to set it up, that's why you guys get these. I wouldn't use these to set up the site. Although it's pretty light, I gotta say. I mean, this weighs nothing. It's all plastic. This is some aluminum. Then you have your chrome plastic. So don't be fooled. This is chrome plastic. This is aluminum, and the rest is plastic, just cheap plastic. This is the LEDs, so that's what you paid for basically. And what you guys have to do is just put this around, place it back, put the locks on it. Okay, you have to lock it up again. Just make sure you place it properly. There you go. Locks are not great either. Anyways, place your locks on it. Alright, and then you just have these two wires. Alright, positive, negative, that's it. The reason why this comes like this is because when you guys are gonna set it up on your ceiling, you're actually not gonna carry it like this first. You guys will have it out. So at the end of the day, this is how it's gonna look like. Alright. So we have your plastic there. Hopefully the light's strong enough. Again, I will be doing a review on this, but way later. And a how-to video of how I did this. I'm gonna explain anyways how you guys should set this up, since we're just doing an unboxing. So if it becomes bent like this, it's no big deal, as long as this isn't damaged. So it doesn't look like it is. Slightly damaged, but it's okay. What you guys are gonna do is place this on your ceiling. You guys are gonna drive some screws through here, 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 and here. Now most of you will need something like this, alright? But I would suggest something even stronger than just this. These are usually pretty good for drywall, which most of you have on your ceilings, but I would get better ones really. And then place this up there. Once you place this up there, you guys will just put this up, lock it in like I did before, and you're done. So pretty easy setup. You just have to make sure you're connecting this to the correct place. As you can see, this is not centered, so make sure you're putting the right place. Actually, this is badly designed. This should be off to the center, so once you guys put it on, it's all covered up. Because it's off to the side, you might have some issues there, but nothing major. This is, again, what you're paying for, really. Other than that, it's pretty light, pretty cheap plastic. Gotta say, I'm surprised. I thought I was gonna get better quality when I bought this. It looked pretty good on the picture, but now that I see it, it's pretty cheap. So, price-wise, it should have been better priced. But yeah, that's the light. You guys will see it later on, like I said in my other videos. And that's it. That's all you guys will see for today. I'll lock this in again. This will be the very last step you guys do once it's all set up. That's what holds everything, basically. And there you go. So that's it for this light. I'm going to do some close-up shots so you guys can see a little bit better, but there's not much to see. It's just a plain thing here. Let me just do some close-ups.